In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to record cash sales in QuickBooks Desktop. When a customer comes to your industry or your company and he is going to pay your money in cash and directly purchase some goods, so how we will record? We can record from home page. You can see create sales receipt, so we can click on it, and here we can choose the customer that he is ready to purchase goods on cash, so we will choose and select the customer, for example Umar Khan. Here we can choose the method of payment. If our customer pay money in cash, so we can select cash. If our customer pay money in check, so we can select check and visa, or also e-check. And here you can see the date on which you are going to record this transaction, and this is the sales number automatically in this sector come. And here you can write the check number when your customer gave you check, so you can write the number of that check. So I am choosing in cash, and here you can see an item. Click on it and choose item which you want to sell out in cash to your customer. And here you can write quantity, that how much your customer want to purchase from you. And here you can leave a message, for example, thank you for your business. If you want to add something, you can write in memo. If you want to save as in PDF with you, so you can click on save as PDF. If you want to print it, so you can click print and then preview. If you want to send an email to your customer, then click on email and then click on receive. And if you want to save includes, so you can click on save includes, so this transaction will be saved to your QuickBook. And here just asking from you checking spelling, so close, click on close, so the transaction saved to our desktop, QuickBooks Desktop. And you can check from repos if you want to delete as well, so you can click on repos, then click on company financial, and then click on profit and loss. Here you can see sales 600,000 sales we have in this month. So here you can see the sales number of 4, and here you can see the amount that is credited to our profit and loss statement, 240,000. If you want to delete it, so you can double click on it and then click on delete option, so then click on OK. It will be deleted from your report. So this was the method of recording cash sales in QuickBooks Desktop.